Hello students, good morning. We are learning about pronouns. In previous classes, we have seen that what is called a pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. For example, he, she, it, they, etc. And there are different kinds of pronouns as like personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, distributive pronouns, indefinite pronouns, and reciprocal pronouns. Okay, and we have already covered up the personal pronouns in yesterday's class. So today we will discuss the next pronoun, that is demonstrative pronouns. We can get the idea what kind of pronoun is this through the name of this pronoun. Demonstrative. What is the meaning of demonstrate? To demonstrate means to show something or to indicate towards something, to display something. Okay, so what could be demonstrative pronoun is the pronouns which indicate towards nouns are called demonstrative pronouns. They are used to point out to a particular person, place or thing. Okay, so demonstrative वो pronouns होते हैं जो किसी noun की तरफ इंडिकेट करते हुए उसको डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, उसके बारे में कुछ बताते हैं. Okay, let's take up the first example. This was my father's pen. Here, this word is a demonstrative pronoun. How? Because this word indicates towards the noun pen. For an example, suppose I am in your class and I am holding a pen into my hand and showing to you and says that this is my pen. So where I am indicating to? I am indicating towards this pen. And as we know that we use this to show the nearest thing. This word का use हम कब करते हैं? जो चीज़ हमारे करीब होती है उसके लिए दिस वर्ड का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई आई यूज़ दिस इज़ माई पेन. सो आई एम इंडिकेटिंग टुवर्ड्स दिस पेन विच इज़ माइन एंड पेन इज़ ए नाउन. दैट मीन्स कि आई एम इंडिकेटिंग टुवर्ड्स दिस नाउन. So here the word this has been used as a demonstrative pronouns to indicate toward the noun pen. Okay, let's take another example. That is a mango. That is a mango. That we use to show the far away things. जो चीज़ दूर कहीं दूर होती है उसकी तरफ इंडिकेट करते हुए जब हम कुछ उस नाउन के बारे में बताते हैं तो उस टाइम हम डैट वर्ड का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, अगेन सपोज इफ़ आई एम इन योर क्लास एंड टेलिंग यू दैट इज़ ए मैंगो ट्री. व्हेन आई एम टेलिंग यू टू see through the window, there is a house and that house is my uncle's, or that is my uncle's house, which means I am indicating towards that house which is my uncle's house. Here that word is describing, is indicating, is telling about that the noun house or to a mango tree. जैसे मैं आपको इशारा करते हुए बोलूं कि वहाँ एक आम का पेड़ है, या मैं कह सकती हूँ कि वह एक आम का पेड़ है. डैट मीन्स कि वो चीज़ कहाँ पे है, बहुत दूर है हमसे. and that's why we use that word, and that word here is being called a demonstrative pronoun because it has been used to show, to describe the noun that is very far away. Okay, next example, those are my books. So those we used with more than one particular things or more than one persons. Okay, so those are my books, वे किताबें मेरी हैं. अगेन जब हम ये बोलते हैं कि वे किताबें मेरी हैं, डैट मीन्स कि आई एम इंडिकेटिंग टुवर्ड्स द थिंग्स विच आर वेरी फार अवे. सपोज कुछ किताबें अलमीरा के ऊपर या रैक के ऊपर रखी हैं, देन आई एम टेलिंग यू अबाउट दोज बुक्स एंड आई वुड से दैट दोज आर माई बुक्स, वही किताबें मेरी हैं. सो हेयर द वर्ड दोज हैज़ बीन यूज्ड as demonstrative pronoun. Okay, again, these are good apples. These we used with more than one persons or things. Okay, so these apples are good in taste, which means कि मेरे पास जो भी apples है वो बहुत अच्छी है, that means tasty है. I am talking about these apples which is near to me. तो वो apples जो मेरे करीब में है, near है, इसलिए, और वो एक से ज़्यादा है, इसलिए these word का यूज़ हुआ यहाँ पे. लेकिन यहाँ पे these word क्या कहलाएगा? It would be called a demonstrative pronoun in this sentence. So you have to keep it in your mind that there are generally 4 demonstrative pronouns, that are this, that, those and these. Sometimes we use such as, and it is also a demonstrative pronoun. Okay, but generally we have the words this, that, those, these as demonstrative pronouns because they indicate towards the nouns. Okay, I hope you have understood what is a demonstrative pronoun. So what you have to do is to try to make examples, more and more examples, and do more and more practice, and try to make sentences on demonstrative pronouns. Okay, I'll see you in next class. Thank you.